Hey y'all, welcome to the Farming Pastor's Wife. Today is yet another remodel video. So come along as I take you along this remodeling chaotic journey with me. Okay guys, I hadn't done much filming today. It is we've continued to work on that center wall, and it is, several of you have asked me if it is a load bearing wall, and yes it is. So we are here getting the LVL to put back and to support it. The LVL is going to come down a little bit in our home. Bryant's not real happy about that. He's wanting it to be not quite as big. It's going to come down about 10 inches maybe. But I told him even if we have to go with that, it's fine. It's something I can, decorate at Christmas. I can put something up there. He's on the phone. Him and Kevin are actually out there looking, and Bryant's on the phone with our nephew Drew, and asking maybe his advice on if there's anything else that we could go with. But yeah, that's where we're at today. I'll show you the progress when we get home, and then I'll just probably go out on the porch and talk to you guys a little bit. Y'all, look what has arrived. Kevin, no, just kidding. It's my stove. Is that not the most beautiful thing? Look at this. Oh, they're zip tied. I was going to pull them out. See if they had that.
Y'all see that right there? That's where I hide her Christmas gifts.
Yeah, right.
She never uses it. She'll never find them.
Will you clip those so I can see if it has that self-rolling back thing?
Lord. You bought something you didn't know if it had it or not?
Well, it don't have to have it.
Oh, Jesus.
I just love the stove. And this, of course, the blue will come off.
No, it matches the kitchen. The blue cabinets. The blue cabinets.
Yeah, the blue cabinets that are gone.
All right, you ready, guys? Y'all ready? Look at there.
But it don't. Let's see.
As far as it
Yeah. Some of them roll back on their own, but I didn't know if this. It doesn't matter to me.
It rolls back on its own if you push it.
If you push it.
Yeah, push it. There you go.
Y'all look, it's gas. Yeah. All of those of you that have told me.
She's never cooked on gas, so we're going to have a lot of burnt sacrifices.
That's right. It's going to be a learning curve. But all of y'all told me to get gas, so that's what I did. Of course, the oven is electric.
We bought a gas.
Based on my YouTubers.
Based on your YouTubers?
Yes. I mean, my followers.
Well, you better keep the other one just in case it don't pan out.
We are keeping it. It's still sitting over there. Kevin's putting the burners on for me. We'll have to pull this back out. We haven't had the gas line set yet, so.
They're coming tomorrow.
They're coming tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Are they really?
Yes. I'm telling you, don't do anything.
Things are moving right along, y'all.
That's something we do too.
Okay.
Yep.
That is a big stove, and I love it. I can buy one of those griddle things to go right here in the center, and we excited. We got to name her. What are we gonna name her? Okay, y'all. So my stove is here. We still need to push it back a little further. But they're going to have to pull it back out for the floor, to put the gas line in, to drill the plug in. So it's just kind of in its holding spot right now. So there is the stove. And my island has been placed. So here we are. There is my island. I've got cabinets on this side with a shelf and on both sides. And then on this side, I have the 3 drawers. So, there we go. I'm tickled pink with how everything is looking. It's going to be beautiful. We're here out to dinner because we don't have a kitchen to eat in.
Is my mustache getting green? Must be the remodel.
Yep. And after a much, we got a lot accomplished today, like a lot of decisions made and things like that. And my stove came in, which y'all have already seen that. But we've decided to come out for dinner.
Maybe they don't subscribe to your Facebook page.
Oh, it's on this video.
You guys have already seen it.
So, we're just out to eat, and we have company.
Hey!
Most handsome guy around.
Why are you paying attention?
What got accomplished today, we finished taking in the studs in the wall. We went and got a really big, it's called an LVL beam. That's going to go up in the roof and suspend these roof trusses and stuff like that. So a lot of things were accomplished today.
Our drinks are here. We got Dr. Pepper and water and Diet Dr. Pepper and a cheese dip. So we are enjoying a great supper. I'm getting golden flautas. We are at Mi Pueblo. We came up to High Point. We're hoping to get to Home Depot before they close. But my favorite thing here is golden flautas. So if you have a Mi Pueblo, I think it's a chain restaurant.
Yeah.
If you have one, try their golden flautas.
Or even your local Mexican restaurant.
They are so good. So cheese dip is here, but I have no chips. So hopefully they'll be here in a minute, but we'll see y'all. Hopefully, if I remember to carry the camera in over at Home Depot. Okay guys, if you remember some of the shiplap that we had found that my daddy had put on the walls, I told you I've got a couple of plans for it that we're going to use it in 2 different areas. Now I'm not going to show you exactly what that area is yet. I want that to be a surprise. But Kevin is out here torching it, giving it a brown look and bringing out the grain of the wood. And it is going to be absolutely gorgeous. So I just wanted to come out here and show you what he's doing. He is torching, and it just brings out the darkness and it brings out the grain of the wood. I'll see if I can find that piece he did and show you. Okay guys, here's the piece he brought in for me to decide if I liked it this brown or if I wanted it more like this. So this is what it does. It brings out the grain of the wood, and I have 2 very, very special plans to use my daddy's shiplap in. So I'm excited to show you, but I'm going to try to keep it a surprise. But Bryant doesn't keep things surprises very much. Okay guys, here we have several boards lined up, so you'll get more of the way it's going to look. Is that not absolutely gorgeous? So that's more of what it's going to look like, because you were getting several pieces lined up. So I'm so excited. I want to tell you what they are, but I want it to be a surprise too. So hopefully we'll get this figured out. Hey y'all, we are on our way to the granite shop.
And gals.
I don't know how to describe what we're doing, other than they have their templates, and we're placing those templates on the granite so I can have the area of the granite I want in that particular spot. Can you describe it any better than that?
Yeah, because granite is God-made, and there's no 2 pieces of granite exactly alike. You have what's called veins in the granite, and this one is very vein oriented.
Means it's running.
It runs through it.
Not necessarily speckled, but
and
runs.
So we've got to go and we're going to take a magic marker and mark out our template on this to make sure we have the grains running the exact way that we would like them to. So that way you don't have one piece of the grains running this way and one piece of the grains running this way. And so you kind of want them running the same way so you get that same consistent look within your granite layout. And so that's what we're doing. So we're heading to the granite shop to do all that. And
I'll see you there.
Hang tight.
Still trying to figure things out. Hey y'all, welcome to the Farming Pastor's Wife. Today is another remodel update. It'll probably be the last remodel update for a while, because I've got a couple other videos I want to upload between now and then. But if I don't have any content, I will definitely be doing remodel updates for you guys. So stay tuned. It's going to be, hopefully it'll be the last remodel update for a while until the big reveal. Okay guys, so I thought I would come out here on the front porch and just talk to you for just a little bit. I have a huge surprise with my kitchen remodel. A lot of you have asked about the shiplap that we have uncovered behind every wall in this house, but whether it be exterior or interior. And you've asked me if I'm going to use that shiplap and how I'm going to use it. And I've told you I've got two things in mind. Well, one of them has come together beautifully today. Like, I'm so excited about it. And the other one is almost together. So, let me tell you, the shiplap is being put to good use, but I'm going to try to keep it a surprise until we do the reveal of the remodel. I don't know that I can. Bryant's already begging me to post pictures, and so it may not make it till the end, the surprise, but I'm going to hold off as long as I can because it's so awesome. You're going to love it. Especially if you like rustic-y type things. Let's see. What else? Okay, there's the remodel has come to a point where some of the things that we're doing, you're not necessarily going to be able to see. So the remodel videos are going to slow a little bit, not because nothing's happening, but because things that are happening either in the ceiling or in the floor. And so yeah. But if I have enough content to make a remodel video, you'll get a remodel video. But if there's not enough content, like tomorrow, everything's going to be done probably for the most part up in the ceiling. And so I'm not going to have anything to show you. So some of the other videos I have planned I wanted to tell you about so you can be excited about them. One, I'm going to do a quick devotional type video. I've been mentioning doing that, and I have not done one yet, so I'm going to do a devotional video. Also, I mentioned doing like a Stitch Fix video. However, when I got ready to place my order with Stitch Fix, another website contacted me and asked me if I would be willing to review their website if they sent me 12 items of clothing, and that I could go on their website and pick what I wanted to try. So we're going to do that try on haul. The clothes, the things that have come from that website have come in. I have not tried them on yet. I have just pulled them out of the package. So we will be doing that pretty soon as well. Once they get the countertops and stuff in my kitchen, I may do a crock pot meal. I was hoping I could do more crock pot type meals throughout this remodel, but y'all, I've had no water in the kitchen. Everything's been moved around. Everything's been packed up. So it's really hard for me to do any cooking. I thought I would be able to do more, but I haven't. But hopefully once they get the countertops in, I can do maybe a crock pot meal or something. Even though my kitchen may not be put back together, I can do a little something. So those are 2 or 3 possibilities. I know 2 of them are definites, the devotional and the try on haul. Also, Caroline and I are going to do another video together. We are going to do our favorite summer items, things that we cannot live without throughout the summer. And what would those things be? And I think she's going to pick 3 or 4, and I'm going to pick 3 or 4. And we're going to show you our favorite summer items that we just cannot live without throughout the summer. let's see, what else? And hers may have to do with children, where mine would have to be, you know, doing with me. So, yeah. Let's see. There were several more we're going to do, but I can't think right now. Oh, you'll probably get a baby dedication video. Caroline has not yet had Levi dedicated, and it will be this Sunday, which is also Father's Day. So a special day for a baby dedication. So yeah, we're going to do that, and you'll probably have a video on Levi's baby dedication. So that's it. I'm going to sign out for now. I hope you've enjoyed my remodel updates, and I hope you enjoy following along as I'm going through this. It's a very chaotic time for us. I'm reading all my comments, but I don't get to respond quickly. I don't get to do a response as quickly or as in depth. My answers may seem very quick, and that's just because I may be trying to answer one and Bryant's yelling for me to come in here in the kitchen and make a decision about something. So and when I'm saying yelling at me, I mean in calling me in the kitchen, not yelling at me, but calling me in the kitchen to make a decision about something. So please know if I'm not responding, or if I'm just giving a heart or a thumbs up or whatever, that it's not because I don't want to. It's just because things are very chaotic. I have nowhere to sit. Our living room is a little haywire. I'm thinking, my mind is consumed with how to furniture arrangement. I mean, I'm thinking all kinds of stuff. Do I need a new rug? Do I just want to get the rug I have cleaned? You know, so it's a wide variety of things happening in my mind. So I'm just glad to be on here and taking you guys along with me for this journey. This has been a long time coming, and I'm blessed. I am so blessed for this time to have come, and I'm excited, and I'm emotional. I get real emotional over it for many reasons, but the greatest emotion I'm having right now is just pure excitement. I'm excited. I'm planning my first meal in there, and I'm planning my first entertaining. So lots going on up here. And not everything comes out of here the way I mean for it to, because so much is going on up here. So anyway, I'm off to church. It's Wednesday night. We're heading to church. Caroline, Bryant has already gone on. He wanted to get to church early, so Caroline and the boys are going to come pick me up. Isaac is going to come too. I don't know. He may want to swing by and see his girlfriend or something. So Caroline's going to come get me and carry me to church. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife. I love you all and appreciate you all. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, although it's not very hot in my house right now because, oh, y'all, speaking of that, tomorrow I'm going to be without air. And it's going to be like 90-some degrees, I think, tomorrow. I may be wrong. I haven't watched the weather, but I think it's really, really hot. And I'm going to be without power. I mean, not power, but without air conditioning. So I'll be fine because I love windows opening and the attic fan going. But I'm not sure Isaac will survive. So anyway, thank you guys for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Bye guys. I love you all.